Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can use Magic Eraser tool on Snapchat. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so let's get started. First of all, open up your Snapchat. Now from here I'm going to click a picture. Now in the right you can see we have a lot of options, and from here we have a scissors icon in the middle. So you have to tap on the scissors icon, which basically represents the Magic Eraser tool. So you're gonna tap on that, and here you can mark around your object, and that will be separated from the image. And now either you can make the sticker of that object, or you can make a PNG of that object, or you can do whatever you want. So that's how you can use Magic Eraser tool on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.